you've missed out on all the airdrops that have happened this year, which are pretty much free money, here's a website where you can see a calendar for them. If you're a beginner or don't have much capital, I would just stick with the ones that are 100% free and don't require you to hold any other tokens to be out. The free ones usually just have you join their Telegram and follow their social media accounts. Start by going to coinmarketcap.com, and under calendars you will see free airdrops. And on this page you will see all the ongoing airdrops along with the upcoming ones, and it's nice because it shows you when they're going to end as well. And when you click on one of the airdrops, it will give you the coin's information along with the requirements, which differ for each airdrop. I'm not sure how much profit you can make off all these, but if you have the time, I'd say this is worth it because it only takes one airdrop. The Uniswap airdrop gave you 400 tokens, and when Uniswap hit $45, that made the free airdrop 18,000.
You want some free crypto? Of course you do. Simply head over to Google and type in crypto airdrop. There's a lot of them out there. Some won't go anywhere, but in the past, some people have made retirement income. Most don't cost anything. Google crypto airdrop.
Did you know that in cryptocurrency, there's literally free money given away almost all the time? And this comes in the form of what they call airdrops into your MetaMask wallets. So if you're holding a private wallet, meaning you have your own keys, you have an opportunity to participate in a free airdrop. Go to airdrops.io and you can see a large list of airdrops that are going to be coming up here in the future. The hottest airdrop actually is Pulse Chain. I talked about this in a previous video where everybody that has an ERC20 token sitting inside their wallet are going to get a free airdrop, meaning you're going to get a copy. So if you say you have 10 million Shiba Inu, you're going to get 10 million free Shiba Inu on the Pulse Chain. It's the biggest airdrop in the world. You should check it out.
A tutorial on how to get free crypto, like airdrops? Yeah, I got you. First things first, you want to go to earn.fi. This is the best place to check if you have a free airdrop in your account. And I have a premium subscription, but this is completely free and you can sign up with just an email. You don't have to pay anything. I pay $25 to see all of the things that I can claim, but you can find a lot just with the free one. Right now, I can claim this one's 420 USDT, and this is worth, over $5,000. This one's worth a little over $11,000. And this is what I was talking about in the last video that I posted. So there's a lot of other ones for free that I was claiming as well. And it's really cool. It's worth a lot of money, up to like $10,000 here you can see.